Excuse me, Mr. Wonka.
I am incredibly busy, sir.
But what about Charlie's lifetime supply of chocolate? When does he get it?
He doesn't.
What? Why not?
Because he broke the factory rules.
What factory rules? We didn't see any rules.
Wrong, sir. Wrong. Under Section 37 of the contract signed by him, all offers shall become null and void, etc., etc., etc. You stole Fizzy Lifting Drinks. And to make matters worse, you allowed a cat into my factory. A cat and his two filthy mice friends. Now the entire factory will have to be sterilized, so you get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
You're a cheat. How can you build up a little boy's hopes and then disappoint him like this?
I said good day.
Come on, Charlie. You've still got your Gobstopper. Once we find a way to bring back Slugworth, he'll pay big money for it.
And so shines a good deed in a weary world. Charlie, my boy, you did it! You won the contest! I knew you would! Oh, Charlie, forgive me for putting you and your friends through this. Forgive me, please forgive me. Charlie, let me introduce Mr. Wilkinson.
Pleasure to meet you, Charlie.
Slugworth!
No, this isn't Slugworth. He's one of my workers. He was only pretending.
But you said you had a master plan against Mr. Wonka!
Oh, no, my boy. My master plan was to help Wonka find an heir. I was concerned that you and Tom and Jerry would interfere with that plan. So I had to try and stop you. Who knew?
Oh, Charlie, I had to test you, and you passed with flying colors. This is all so exciting, but we have to get going. So much time and so little to do. Strike that. Reverse it. We'll take the Wonkavator. If you please, Charlie, Grandpa Joe, sir. Oh, Tuffy. It looks like you've grown a lot. Come on in, Oompa Loompa.
Oompa Loompa Doopity-doo! The Great Glass Wonkavator! These buttons can take us anywhere in the factory!
Yes, and I've pressed them all except for one. Go on, Charlie. Press it.
Whoa!
Oh my!
Hey, there's our house!
So, Charlie, how did you like my factory?
Mr. Wonka, it's the most wonderful place in the whole wide world.
I'm happy to hear you say that, because I'm giving it to you.
Huh?
You're giving your factory to Charlie?
Absolutely. You can move in immediately. You and your entire family. You can bring them all, even Tom and Jerry.
Wow, I still can't believe this is happening.
You know what happened to the boy who suddenly got everything he ever wanted?
What?
He lived happily ever after.
This is the only way to fly. Ole.
If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to make the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination, living